Yeah, sure, man. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, you guys, check out this officer right here. He does his best to ignore me. What do you guys think? You think I can get him to budge?
You getting SWAT out tonight?
Hey, you need help? What's up, buddy? You need help? You need help, buddy? Buddy. Yes. Yes.
Can you close that?
I'll close it. Yeah, don't worry about it. I got it. How you doing, buddy?
Hi guys, how you doing?
Not too bad.
Did he say he wanted to report over here?
I think maybe one of those guys, and it wasn't me. Well, hey, can I get your name, badge number real quick, though?
Yeah, Officer Martinson, 12645.
12645 Martinson. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. This guy identified pretty quickly. He had a good attitude, guys, I gotta tell you. So.
Motherfucker doesn't bother you, right? If I say motherfucker doesn't bother you?
Yeah.
Making sure.
Okay. You want to talk here over my car? Either. I just want to be in the shade. So yeah. I don't care. We can sit in the car. We can do it right here.
Okay, what's going on?
So yesterday I witnessed an assault.
Okay.
On a guy who was standing on a public sidewalk.
What did he say?
What was that?
What did he say?
He was standing on a public sidewalk. He was recording someone who was wearing costumes.
Okay, was it the video from yesterday?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so you understand what James Freeman is talking about when he's talking to the officer. A channel called Spittin' Cobra CopWatch was arrested in Glendale, Arizona for recording on public sidewalk. The officer gets in his face and Spittin' Cobra tells him, "I'm standing right here, motherfucker." The officer gets mad and arrests him. James Freeman went live, and when I jumped on, he asked if I would drop what I'm doing and go out to Glendale, Arizona. I did. I jumped on an airplane. The next day I was over there. Big shout out to Direct D who picked me up and showed me nothing but hospitality. Another big shout out goes to Vic from Dignity Bail Bonds in Phoenix, Arizona, who paid for our hotels and rooms while we were up there. Check out this quick clip and let's get back to the video.
What? My safety is my concern.
Sir, I will drag you to jail.
For what?
You're obstructing. You're obstructing. Go over there.
Listen
Go
to me.
over there.
Obstructing is a physical act.
Do you want to go to jail?
Obstructing is a physical act.
Go over there.
I'm standing
You
here
can go over there
in
where
the
you're not
public with a
obstructing. Go
fucking
away.
camera. What's your name?
Johnston.
B.
Go over
Johnston.
there, out of the way.
I will stay right here, motherfucker.
Disorderly conduct now. You're going to jail. Go to the ground. Go to the ground. You're under arrest.
Okay, I know our department's investigating it.
Sure.
You weren't physically assaulted, correct?
Me, no.
Oh,
I wouldn't
mentally.
be
Okay.
assault.
Our department's investigating that. Is there, they can't take any third-party complaints, but they're aware of everything. If you want to talk to a representative to maybe explain some more, I can ask.
That'll change things, yeah.
I mean, I'm honestly kind of new to this. I haven't.
Yeah.
I come from an area actually in Tucson in a nice neighborhood where there's not
Okay.
a whole lot of crime.
Yeah.
So like filing a police report on like a violent assault is not something I've really done before.
Okay.
Look at his
but-
shoes. Look, see?
So I guess kind of what you're telling me though is that like if I witnessed it, I can't make a report on it. So like if someone were to come up and beat up this guy right here and assault him and steal his stuff, like if some tweaker came up and robbed him, then I can't make a report on that. Is that right?
Yeah, we would contact you and document it, but if we don't have anyone else calling us in, like the actual victim, to report it,
Okay.
we're kind of stuck at that point. But we would have a
Okay.
call for service, we would document it.
That does
We'd
make sense
try to
because if
locate
there's no
somebody.
victim, there's no crime, right?
Right.
Okay, that
So,
makes
but yeah,
enough
the
sense.
incident yesterday was fully documented. Our department is looking into it. If you
Okay.
have questions about it, I can have someone else come out and talk to you.
Yeah.
We do have
I noticed
questions.
that the police department did an excellent job of releasing body cam footage like immediately. I mean, it was a bit, 2 hours after it happened, maybe?
Yeah, I'm not sure, but I know if they try to get something out. Yeah.
Okay, and I sincerely appreciate that kind of transparency. What I think would be important is I called a dispatcher yesterday, and she told me, hey, you don't have the whole story. You should get the whole story before you make a decision. And I strongly agree. So maybe we can get somebody out here that I can talk to about releasing all of the body cam footage from every officer from the moment they arrived on the scene until the moment they left. Because that way we can see if they...
Yeah, and I'm not sure what they're going to release. They might do that. I know they're working with our public information officer, so they may be already in the works of doing that. I don't know any details of that.
Yeah.
If you or any of the individuals or groups would want further information, you could do a public information request to our department as well.
Sure.
Have you seen the video, sir?
I've seen only
What do you think about the
small
video?
part of it.
Your personal opinion. Can
I've
you
only
tell me?
seen a real small part. I haven't seen
the
everything.
small part you saw, what would you
Yeah, I'm not going to comment.
You can't comment,
on
that's what I
it.
thought.
Want me to have any public information officer or someone to
Yeah.
relay information to or
absolutely.
email or something?
Yeah, and honestly, the biggest thing I'd like to know is will they release all of the body cam footage?
And when, right.
Again, I haven't even done public records requests that I can think of in Arizona. And so I know that the laws on them in Texas and New Mexico pretty well.
They're department specific, so you can like contact our records,
He's off
give them all the
he's off the
information,
hook,
what you know, like the
Done.
date and time, if you know a report number and the parties involved. And then they would go ahead and do that for you. There may be some small fees, but it's a simple request. You can do our records. Let me go ask someone real quick. If you want a specific contact, I can maybe kind of give them.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Sure.
I
Okay.
appreciate it. Yeah.
All right, hold on
And,
a second.
You know, I know that there's certain like deadlines that they have, but
Yeah.
I mean, they release this within a couple hours. I think with something so kind of big in the public eye, I think it would be awesome if they would just release it all within the next 24 hours. I know that they're not legally obligated to. They don't have to. But geez, in the spirit of transparency, that would be amazing, man. So,
Yeah, cool.
just
All
a
right.
thought.
Hey,
give me a second real
Martinson,
quick. Yes.
you seem to have a really good attitude, man, and I gotta say that's what we look for when we come out here.
Is it fake,
especially,
though? Is it fake?
especially in situations like this.
I hope
Like
not.
we need to make sure that that you guys understand exactly what's going on, just like we do, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely,
Like
yeah.
so, this in reality, just like he said, it's
That's right.
it's a transparency thing, and I gotta say, man, you have such a great attitude, and I appreciate
I
that.
agree.
Yeah, no problem.
I appreciate that.
We're all people, right? We just gotta figure things
I'm
out.
guessing you
Tell your friends that.
you want accountability and transparency just like we do, so that you don't come out looking bad at the end of the day, right?
Correct.
And I gotta say, and your attitude displays that.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Thanks for
you.
being cool,
No,
dude.
thank you. As a matter of fact, yeah, thank
it's
you.
genuine.
Yeah, for sure,
All right,
man.
give me a minute or two, okay?
All right, I
Thanks.
appreciate it, man. Earlier when I was live streaming, I showed that there's been some.
That's cool, man.
And one of the things that those news stories have shown that some of the agencies have done a good job of reporting on is that there have been cops within this department that are also sick of the profession. Pointed at his head inside of this building.
No
by
shit.
Another cop. And he filed a report on it. So it's not, there are cops here who are sick and effing tired of the same thing that we're sick and tired of. But, I mean, look, I'm not trying to apologize for it, but I do like to try to put myself in other people's shoes. And I'm going to say this, if I was in his position, I know damn well you don't want to cross the blue line of silence. And so it's going to take something where we start working with them to be able to get these dirty pigs out so that the guys who don't want to be dirty pigs can feel a little bit more comfortable about coming forward and saying, hey, dude, this guy pointed a gun at my head in the back room. This guy bullied me into telling me that if I don't lie on this police report that he's going to jump me after work, you know? They don't want it either, at least the ones who are trying to be decent people.
Definitely.
Be on a call during the day and on call versus the night.
I didn't get this.
The thing is, you have to, as an officer, you are,
I think I'm going to carry that
how do you
nice
say
water
it?
bottle that he gave
It's
me
like
with me.
you're important to deal with those situations all the same. You know, like you can't judge a situation by ego or by your feelings that day or whatever. I get every person has a bad day, but as an officer, you can't go in taking your bad day. You have to do a good job. And once you put that on the public, you're the one that's going to get exposed.
You know that one of the reasons why we're all here is because your fellow officer fucked up, right? Like, we don't mean no disrespect. And as a matter of fact, I gotta say, this guy and you have had good attitudes, man. And in reality, like, how does the things that guy does, how does that improve your work? And look, you're put in the worst position because of that guy, right? Not because of us.
Yeah, I'm a lone officer in a big seat. I don't know all the particulars. I'm not the department investigating.
Right.
I haven't seen all the videos. I don't know all the facts. So again, I can't comment.
How do you expect us to respect you when you say we know you're lying? You know everything about everything
I
about.
don't.
Come
I
on,
don't.
you really expect us to believe that?
I don't have access
And if
to
you would
all
just
that
be
stuff.
admit that you are You know exactly what's going on.
So
you know why right here.
When officers, real quick, when officers, like for instance, this guy, he makes a mistake like that, right? And you guys understand, you realize what he does. You guys have to put yourselves in a position whether you guys want to. Let's say he does something and you see it, but you don't want to tell on the fucking guy. Let's say you do want to tell on the guy. You're gonna be put as a rat, as somebody that's going against your blue line, brotherhood, brethren, whatever, right? And in reality, I'm gonna tell you something, bro. If it wasn't for that guy making that simple mistake, we wouldn't be here. And the most money that comes from lawsuits comes from simple civil rights violations, not from police brutality.
Yeah, they do.
How the fuck is it a sustainable system, bro, where we don't know our rights as a people and you guys don't know the fucking laws? It makes absolutely no fucking sense, right? Your superiors are putting you in the worst fucking possible position, and you guys don't even realize it. And when you finally do realize it, you guys find yourselves in a position where you guys back each other up and all that shit. And when you do the right thing, bro, you turn out to be the bad guy. How the fuck is that a sustainable system? We are here as a people, and I'm gonna tell you something. What if you knew that you could take your fucking your uniform off and come make as much as money doing what we do or more, holding dirty cops accountable? Because in your position right now, you can't fucking do it. You're gonna get shit canned and you're gonna be shitted on. What if somebody? What if?
I understand you. Like, I'm not gonna.
Okay, you don't have to answer.
I understand.
But, okay, what if somebody like me came and told you can make more money putting cops in check and holding them accountable than you can protecting them? What the fuck would be your answer? And I don't expect an answer, bro. You're a good guy, Martinson, and I can tell.
I just want to say one thing. You said we're out here because your officer messed up. I'm not here because somebody made a mistake. Everybody's human. I'm here because the Glendale Police Department is failing to admit their mistakes, and I think that you as an individual and as a person are failing to admit that the Glendale Police Department is making
That's
really
exactly what
mistakes.
I'm doing. Correct.
So, as a human, you take off the badge. I bet me and you would get along just fine any day of the week. But man, you guys need to admit that something is going seriously wrong here. And until each and every individual,
There will be
one of you guys
disconnects, yep.
admit it.
And it's not this one
I'll be here when you
situation,
guys are ready to, when you want to step
That's
up
right.
and do something.
And we
Like
could-
genuinely to help you and have your back.
Yeah.
We can tell you have a good attitude, man, but we need you to use that shit for the right reasons, bro.
Yeah, I understand you.
Right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
Your-
Stay safe.
and your fucking haircut game is legit.
Love your hair though.
Hey, no, I'm gonna be on every call.
This guy's cool too, man.
Oh yeah, we're
Thanks,
here,
bro.
Motherfucker.
Sorry,
Thank you, bro.
Get out of here. I'm sorry, dude. We held you up long enough.
Motherfucker, that
Yeah, motherfucker. All right. I don't want to cuss, but
Yeah. We can all say that, right? Hey, hold on. I'm gonna do this with all due respect. I'm standing right here, motherfucker. We good, right?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, bro. Hey, can I get a fist bump? No worries. Thank you, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Fuck yeah, good shit, bro. Yeah, he was nice, huh? He was cool. The other guy was legit too, bro. They were cool.
there's problems with them.
Are there good cops though? That's the question.
He's unwilling to admit
They
there's
can't be
problems.
good because they fucking
stand there and watch them
That's true, man.
And my thing is like,
Come in the video. He's unwilling to admit.
You're awesome. Thank you for having our back. What's up, man? You got a contract with these motherfuckers? Yeah. They're bitches sometimes? Are they bitches sometimes? Nah. They're cool as fuck?
yeah.
You see what they did yesterday? They arrested a guy for
They
nothing.
just gotta do a job, people.
That's not true, bro. They don't just got a job to do. You know what? Their job is to serve the people, not to serve themselves.
People get out of hand too, bro. I mean,
Yeah, but okay.
We're spoiled.
Okay,
We're spoiled.
wait. When people get out of hand, we're held accountable by the cops. When they get out of hand, who holds them accountable? They turn the other cheek. I got that one out. I got that one out. I got to that one. Hey, that's why I'm good at what I do. Let me give you my card, bro. Check me out, homie. Gracias. Much love, bro.
check us out. Thank you, Mario.
I want to give a big shout out to everybody that went out there to the lunch in support of Spittin' Cobra CopWatch, Friendly Neighborhood Citizen, AZ Unfiltered, Direct D, James Freeman, M&M Audits, Twisted Silver Tongue, San Joaquin Audits, Arizona Auditor, Young Northwest Accountability, myself, San Joaquin Valley Transparency, and Nate Skates 182, Big shout out to Cream City News, who ordered everybody a shot over the phone. I thought that was pretty cool. Everybody else who donated to me when I was live, thank you so much. Big shout out to Into Film, who came out to record with us the next day. And also big shout out to Vic from Dignity Bail Bonds in Phoenix, Arizona, who went out of his way to pay for my room and food while I was there, as well as for my sons. Thank you very much, Vic. And thank you very much, Direct D, for going out of your way to drive us around, bring us into your home, and be a fantastic tour guide for all of Arizona. Thank you guys all for tuning in. Stay tuned because I got a lot of videos coming out from that area. I will be going out there again as well, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.